It's a plane.
Sort of intro. It's a jet, actually.
Is it? It's still a plane.
Oh, I don't know. I'm trying to teach him everything that I know. So Rafale, FMS 64mm EDF Rafale. Flown it a couple of times, really like it. The Reflex gyro is really good actually in optimised mode, irons out all the bumps. But like the 18mm, the bigger version of this, which I've also got that I haven't built yet, I'm intrigued as to how good it is high alpha, the right way up and inverted, particularly inverted. I think it could be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Well, it'll be a lot of fun, or it'll be in the ground.
It'll be fun for us watching.
And them.
Yeah, exactly.
But let's, so yes.
No ornaments.
No, taking that off, less drag, taking the fixed landing gear out. And now somebody said this to me, that they actually had this against you, not me, mate.
Against me?
They said your hand launching was terrible. Two-handed hand launching was terrible. But you can't launch this with two hands. And the big problem with this is that even if you had quite large hands, you can't get them across.
You just can't hand grip.
You can't, because it's basically because it's a twin, isn't it, in design? So you're not going to be able to get your hands across it. So that's why we had to cut these. So it's got nothing to do with the ability of the person to hand launch. You have to make that mod to be able to successfully hand launch it every time, I think.
Because you just can't grip it.
You can't grip it. You just cannot grip it.
So now you can.
Right. Okay. So let's give it a go. All right, Carl.
Yep.
Right. Bit of wind, which might help actually. Ready? Yeah, ready. That makes it so much easier to launch, doesn't it?
Yeah, wind.
Yeah, a bit of wind and those hands.
Oh, those hands.
So full elevator, and then just balancing it on the power and using rudder for direction. And it's crawling, and I'm only half throttle actually, because all the airspeed provided mostly by the wind. What, lower the right way up or inverted?
Either or.
Well, let's try up there, inverted. Again, quite slow. No, it's not actually. I've run out of, so we'll stick to the right way up. So yeah, not as good inverted. And then going on the power and releasing the elevator. It's a lot of fun. Yes! Oh my! Oh, that was bonkers.
Well, there's the thumbnail.
That's crazy. You can only do that in a really strong wind. That is crazy. That's like defying physics. That is so mad. Do that again. From high up. from up there, coming down. Without doubt, this is the best small jet I've ever flown.
It's only a 64mm fan,
Yeah,
is
I
it?
know.
That's amazing. Just need some dust on the floor to kick up.
Yeah, to kick it up, yeah. Or do it over water. So it's literally full elevator, balance on the throttle, gyro on in optimised mode, rudder,
Power's out of it, alright as well.
it does, yeah. I mean, it's a small fan, but it's got some grunt. No, sometimes the motor stays on.
Are you plugged into the gyro with the throttle?
No.
Ah, I wondered if it was like a cool down procedure or something like that.
You get that on turbines. It thinks it's a turbine jet. It's gone into cool down. That is just brilliant. I mean, it's quite windy. If you look at the windsock, Carl, it's
Yeah.
about 15-20 miles an hour, but that's, you know, you shouldn't be afraid of flying in the wind. You can do some amazing tricks with a delta like this in a bit of wind. So a huge amount of fun. That's the FMS 64mm Rafale. It's only been out a little while now, and I think the recent stock has sold out, but they'll have it back in again in the very near future. The link is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks as ever to Carl for filming.
Cheers.
And we'll be back on Essential RC soon for some more fun. That's what we enjoy doing. So see you soon. Bye everyone. Brilliant.